Oriri bara ya kuhurana na wendia wa njohi cia ibango ithite na mbere kunyita thinga guothe bururi-ini. Kaunti ya Nyandarua nditigitwo na thutha guku gavana wa kaunti ino Francis Kimemia akiendekithia kunyihanyihia namba ya irabu mwena uyu. Akiaria mwena-ini wa magumu gicigo-ini kia umbuge gia Kinangofu, Kimemia neugite ona korwo thirikari yake ni guta igoti nene kumana na kuhinga irabu, miturire ya andu ethĩ ni ya bata makiria.
I don't see as a governor why you should have bars in divisions, in locations, in sub-locations, in villages. Then this becomes a drinking county.
Oho Kimemia neugite mibango ya kugura transformer no irathie na mbere niguo guteithiriria arimi gukorwo na thitima iganda-ini ciao. Oho neugite nimekurora maundu megie barabara cia wadi ngurani na oho kugura macini cia guteithiriria gwaka barabara ici.
We have budgets for last year for roads. We have budgets for this year for roads. We are putting 15 million per ward, and we are putting 7 million in the sub-counties for water, and we are putting 2 million for ECD development. Each ward will enjoy about 30 million shillings.
Oho kaunti ino ni iranire kwagirithia ugima mwega wa mwiri wa aikari a kaunti ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.